All right, so just a quick review over the quadratic formula and solving a quadratic function. Basically what we're doing is we're finding the x-intercept, so wherever the graph will cross the x-axis, but to do so we're going to use the quadratic formula, and we first need to identify the a, which is 2, the b, which is 14, and the c, which is 20. And then we're going to enter those values into the quadratic formula. So we would have x equals opposite b, so negative 14, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which would be 14 squared, minus 4, because that's part of the formula, a is 2, and c is 20, all over 2a, so 2 times 2. So then we have negative 14 plus or minus the square root of something over 4. And I entered this portion, the discriminant portion, in my calculator, 14 squared minus 4 times 2 times 20, using parentheses, and I got 36. So then remember we have to split this apart because this is two problems. We have negative 14 plus the square root of 36 over 4, but we also have negative 14 minus the square root of 36 over 4. So I use n over d to type this in my calculator, but I end up getting a negative 2 and a negative 5. So the solutions to this function are negative 2 and negative 5, which means that is where it will cross the x-axis if I were to actually graph the parabola of this function.